Hello, grade 4. Good morning. So today we're going to learn about perimeter and area. But before we do that, let me first welcome you to my class. Welcome. Okay. So perimeter and area are two very different things because perimeter is the measurement of the outside part of your figure or your shape. For example, if you have a square with four sides and you make those four sides into a long straight line, that will be the perimeter. Okay? Or, for example, you are going to mark the sides of this square, that will be the perimeter. While when you say area, that was what is inside your figure. For example, rectangle. How many square measures can be put inside your rectangle? Okay, on a square, how many squares can put or is the capacity of your given square. So that is the area. In Tagalog, when you say perimeter, this is the measurement yung nasa labas. Yan. While pag sinabi mong area, ang i-measure mo ay yung nasa loob. Okay, so that is perimeter and area. And today we are going to learn how to find the perimeter of a square, a rectangle, a parallelogram, a trapezoid, and a triangle. Okay, let's start with square. A square is a four-sided polygon. It's a quadrilateral. Okay, it is composed of four equal sides. Therefore, if this side is equals to 5 centimeters, all of the other sides is also equal to 5 centimeters. Okay, so let's start with the perimeter. So perimeter, everyone, is the sum of all the sides. So if you have 5, another 5 here, another 5 here, and another 5 here, that would be 5 centimeters plus 5 centimeters plus 5 centimeters plus 5 centimeters. There you go. Which is equals to 20 centimeters. So that is the perimeter of our square. But based on what we just did, can you figure out what is the formula in getting the perimeter of the square? Okay, great job. The formula in getting the perimeter of a square is equals to 4 times S. Okay, or 4S. The formula in getting the perimeter of a square is 4 times side because there are 4 equal sides. So para lang siyang 5 na or yung sides na pinag-plus mo sa sarili niya ng 4 na beses. Let's see kung 20 centimeter pa rin ang lalabas. Let's check our formula. So we have 4 times 5 centimeters. So 4 times 5, that is equals to 20. Very good. Centimeters. Parehas ba siya? Yes. Okay, so therefore, the formula in getting the square or the perimeter of the square is equals to 4 times S. Now, let's talk about the area. Given that our area, okay, given that our side is equals to 5 centimeters, we are going to find how many square measures can we put in that square. Okay, so the formula for the area of a square is equals to side times side. So side multiply to other side or to the same side. Okay, so that is 5 centimeters times 5 centimeters. Okay, 5 times 5, that is equals to 25. Okay, this is something amazing. When you multiply 2 centimeters together, it will turn out to be centimeter squared. Oh, can you see it? Square measures area. So the answer is 25 centimeter squared. Let's try it with the other given. How about we find the perimeter and the area of a square with a side of 7 centimeters. Okay, let's start with the perimeter. The formula in getting the perimeter of a square is 4 times S. Or 4 times S. Or 4 times 7 centimeters. So that is 4 times 7, 28 centimeters. Great job, everyone. How about the area? That is side times side. Our side is equivalent to 7 centimeters. That is 7 centimeters times 7 centimeters. 7 times 7 is equals to 49. And centimeters times centimeters is equals to centimeters squared. Therefore, a square with a side of 7 centimeter has a perimeter of 28 centimeter and an area of 49 centimeters squared. Okay, now let's talk about our second figure for today. We have rectangle. A rectangle has two equal opposite sides. What? Naguluhan din ako dun ah. Okay. So when you say rectangle, the opposite side of it are parallel and they are equal. Yun. Tumama din. Ibig sabihin, if this is 6 centimeters, the opposite side is also 6 centimeters. And if this is 3 centimeters, this is also 3 centimeters. Okay, so this is called the length and this is called the width. Okay, for example, our length is equals to 6 centimeters and our width is equals to 3 centimeters. Grade 4, the formula in getting the perimeter of a triangle is equals to 2 times length. Okay, because if you can notice, dalawa daw yung parehas. Dalawa yung length natin. Okay? Plus 2 times width. Kasi if you can notice, dalawa din yung width natin na parehas. Right? Okay. Let's continue. So we have 2 times L or length. That is 2 times 6 centimeters. Close and open parentheses because those are BIPs. Okay, next. 2 times our width is 3 centimeters. There you go. Now, we need to multiply first because they are inside the parentheses. They are BIPs. So let us multiply. What is 2 times 6? Very good job. 12 centimeters. Okay. How about the next one? There's a next parenthesis. 2 times 3. 6 centimeters. Very good. And don't forget to bring down the addition sign. Whoops. Okay, let's add. 12 plus 6. 18. Great job. 18 centimeter is the perimeter of our rectangle. Nice. Okay, now let's try to find out what is the area of this one. Okay, let's see. The area of a rectangle is equals to length times width. O, di ba? Ang dali lang. Area is equals to length times width. So that is 6 centimeters times 3 centimeters. Can you believe it? It's equals to 6 times 3 is 18. Okay, if you can notice, when you add 2 centimeters together, the answer is still centimeters. But if you multiply them, just like this case, centimeters times centimeters, it will become centimeter squared. So the area of this one, this rectangle is 18 centimeter squared. Great job, everyone. Okay, now let's move on to a parallelogram. We often make jokes that a parallelogram is a rectangle na nadulas. It has different parts, but if you can notice, just like the rectangle, the opposite sides are also equal. But its angles, it's not 90 degrees anymore. So let's find out the perimeter of a parallelogram and its area. Okay. So first, let us do this. Okay. So if this is 7 centimeters, okay, and this one or this side is equals to 4 centimeters, and then the height, okay, the height, there you go, of our perimeter or our parallelogram is equals to, oops, wait a minute, there you go, 4 centimeters also. Okay, let's find out the perimeter first. Okay. So sabi, perimeter is the sum of all the sides. So we have 7 centimeters plus, okay, this side is also equals to 7 centimeters plus 4 centimeters plus 4 centimeters. Okay. Kasi, ayan. So 7, 7, 4, 4. Right? Okay, 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 4, 18. 18 plus 4, 22 centimeters is our perimeter. Now, let's talk about the area. The area in getting the formula in getting the area of a parallelogram is equals to base times height. Okay, the base is here. Okay, the length of this part. And the height is the measurement from this point to the top. Okay, now, so that is 7 centimeters times 4 centimeters. 7 times 4, that is equals to 28. Centimeters times centimeters, that is equals to centimeters squared. So that is how you find out or get the perimeter and the area of a parallelogram. Okay, now let's try. Ooh, triangle. Let's try triangle. Okay, a triangle has a base and a height also. Okay, so the base is this side here. Okay, and the height is from the base to the top or the vertex or the top angle. Okay, the top angle. So let's see. So let's start with perimeter. So let's start with the base equals to 3 centimeters. Okay. One of the sides is equals to 2 centimeters and the other side is equals to 2 centimeters. Oh, it's an isosceles triangle. But the height of our triangle is equals to 2 centimeters. Okay, there you go. The height is equals to 2 centimeters. So first, for the perimeter, we need to add all the sides. Okay, so side lang, hindi kasali yung height. Okay, side lang po. So that is 3 centimeters plus 2 centimeters plus 2 centimeters. So that is equals to 7 centimeters. Diba? Ang dali ng perimeter. Now for the area. Okay, the area is equals to 1/2 times base times height. Okay, but let's put an open and close parenthesis for us to prioritize the base times height first. Okay, but if you multiply 1/2 times base first, it's okay, and then multiply by height, it will come up with the same answer. But for it to be much easier, we will multiply base times height first, and then we will multiply it to 1/2, or in other words, we will divide it into by 2. Okay, so first let's bring down 1/2. 1/2 times base is equals to 3 centimeters times height is equals to 2 centimeters. Okay, since 3 times 2 is inside the parenthesis, we need to prioritize them. Okay, 3 times 2 is equals to 6. cm times cm is equals to centimeter squared. Now, if you can notice, we will multiply 1/2 by 6 centimeters squared. That is the same as dividing 6 by 2. Okay, so we will divide 6 by 2. So 6 divided by 2, that is equals to 3 centimeter squared. And that's it. That is our area. Great job, everyone. Let's give ourselves a big round of applause. And for our last figure for today, we will talk about another kind of quadrilateral trapezoid. Okay, so first, let me show you how to find the perimeter of a trapezoid with a side of 5 centimeters. Okay, with a base of 5 centimeters, another base of 3 centimeters, a side of 4 centimeters, and another side of 4 centimeters. So just like kanina, in getting the perimeter, you just need to add all the sides. So that is 5 centimeters plus 3 centimeters plus 4 centimeters plus 4 centimeters. Okay, so that is 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 2 is 12. 12 plus 4 is equals to 16 centimeters. Now, for the exciting part, the area of a trapezoid. The area of a trapezoid is base 1 plus base 2 times height over 2. Okay, if you can notice, we don't have a height. So I will give you a height. Okay, the height is equals to 3 centimeters. Okay, let's do this one. So first, base 1, that is 5 centimeters. Oops. 5 centimeters plus base 2 is equals to 3 centimeters times height is equals to 3 centimeters over or divided by 2. So let's add first. 5 plus 3, that is 8 centimeters times 3 centimeters over 2. Next, 8 times 3, that is 24 centimeters squared over 2. And 24 centimeters squared over 2 is just like 24 centimeters squared divided by 2. 24 divided by 2, that is equals to 12 centimeter squared. And that is our area and perimeter. That's it. Isn't it easy and amazing? Okay, you can rewatch that as much as you want to. For your task for today, kindly visit the I Learn task and answer it on your notebook. Bye!